Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing the background from images using Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The background remover is a premium feature of Canva. To use it, you'll need a Canva Pro Subscription. The tool works so well that it's completely worth it though, in my opinion. Upload and add the images to your canvas. Select the image to highlight it, and then tap Edit Image from the top left. Select Background Remover. It will take a couple of seconds to analyze the image, and then it will remove the background. It's that easy to remove a background. You can do it with as many images as you need to. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Canva tips and tricks.